This is chicken. This is cutting, and this is masala all about, and this fry of potatoes. And the other end, this is Amul Masti Dahi, and this onion and etc. Fry these potatoes in low flame and low oil. Then added bay leaves, long, cut down, and light, and fry it. Then added onion as you wish. If you like it more onion, so you can add it, or you can add 3 or 4 onion, just like this cutting, and then fry as well as. Then now added garlic and ginger paste and mix it for some time, 5 minutes. Added cumin and coriander paste and mix it. Then we add the chicken and mix well. Slowly mix it in low flame. We cooking it. See this boiling, and these chickens are seeing awesome, and it's almost done, and its fragrance is amazing. They added this Amul Dahi, so you can see this is added side to side, in every side Amul Dahi is added for this chicken, and it mix it well. Then added green chili and onion in cube shape. And we added gulab jal, and these are optional. If you want, you can use it, or otherwise not.